Mo nag-video naman ako, wala naman, di pa nako. Di naman ako. I forgot. Okay. So I don't know what is this. What they have here? So, what still they have here? Ano meron?
May live band siguro.
Kasi pag 7 to 7 ka, 18 na dapat.
Ano meron? I don't know what they have here. It's like meron pa doon.
Ilang mga plato. Dito pa din para ano.
Oh, still have more there. Wow. I think they celebrate the one for a Catholic church. So we will go there. Ang haba pala nito. Ngayon ako nakapunta dito. Kalapit-lapit lang sa bahay. This one is very close to my house, but only today that I went here. So this one they're doing about for a Catholic church here. This one. Okay, so we will go here. What they have there? Parang ang haba. Pagod na ako kalakad. So this one, it was a pier. You can see guys, this one. Okay. This one is pier. Oh, hulog ka. Hindi hulog ka mamaya. Okay, so here. The pier. So we will not go there already because I am tired already. So maybe next time we will come and I will bring my grandson Isko. So here. So this one. Oh, there's a lot of a campaign for this, for the mayor and senator, and ang ganda pala. Wow. So here guys.